Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Apple ID balance and region settings so payments route correctly. Open Settings, tap your name, then Media and Purchases. Sign in when prompted. Look at the balance displayed. This is the amount Apple will draw from first. Once done, make sure your subscription price is equal to or less than the balance, and confirm the account's country or region matches the balance currency to avoid decline charges. Now assign that balance to a subscription by opening the App Store and tapping your profile photo. Go to Subscriptions and select the service you want to pay from Apple ID balance. If the app accepts balance, pick the plan and confirm. The system will use your Apple ID balance first. If it still charges a card, go to Payment Methods and reorder or remove other methods. Apple always prefers balance before charging a credit card, so adjust order to enforce that. Finish by confirming the subscription shows as active and noting the next billing date in Subscriptions. If the charge didn't go through, add funds to your Apple ID or edit payment methods, then retry. Small regional mismatches or pending cards often block payments. Make sure you have enough balance for full billing cycles. If problems continue, contact Apple support and provide your Apple ID and any transaction ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.